Hi guys, it's Coach Kelly. I'm going to walk you guys through some of the stuff on the pre-assessment to help you out. Okay, a couple of things. Somehow the boxes up here there's one, got deleted. But when you click on the box, this will happen. Some of you guys know how to put in a fraction. Some of you guys, there's already a drawing for you. If you click on it and you add line, go down to scribble, you should be able to put a fraction in. Save and close, and it would put it in there. To delete it, you click on it again, click on the whole box, press, delete, delete, and delete, and then you can start over. Okay, so you can show me your math on here, okay, or you can try to type it in here. That's how you use Google Drawing. If there isn't a Google Drawing or you want to show something, you can come up here to Insert, Drawing, New, and it will take you straight to this box. Same thing, scribble, and now you have the power to use it like a pencil. Okay, then again, if you don't want it anymore, double click, click on each individual thing, and you can delete it. Okay, I hope that this helps today so that you can get your pre-assessment done. The same rules will apply on your other assignments, so I will show you really quick. When you go back, your classwork today is right here. When you get to something that says create a model or what equation will you use, if you find it easier than typing in, you come here, insert a model, insert drawing new, and you have all these tools. Now with math, well, one of these you might want to do more of shapes. That might make more sense. You also could try a drawing. Now I tried doing a drawing of this one already. It's a little bit more difficult, but I should be able to get the gist, right? You can make your fraction bar, cut it into pieces, try to color one in, or again, come up here and use some of your other tools. Explore, try to be creative. If you don't end up liking it, take it out. Okay? Be creative. Also, come and ask for help from 2:30 to 3. If you don't come and ask for help, I cannot help walk you through it. Okay? Good luck.